this court does not pass, it does not suspend orders without issuing of notice, but in view of the fact, but in view of the fact that the impugned order has come into direct conflict with the judgment of this court, and as the petition as filed appears not to be maintainable, we are doing so. Full stop. The impugned order also comes in the way of the Election Commission to proceed with its duties and responsibilities, constitutional duties and responsibilities for the holding of elections as mandated under the Constitution.
What can we refer? शेड्यूल का ये
without further delay, order of suspend कर दिया ना, कर दिया, देखा है, हाँ, accordingly, in the given circumstances and considering the constitutional stipulations, constitutional and legal stipulations, and the judgment of this court, the judgments of this court, the impugned order is hereby suspended and full stop. The Election Commission shall, we are informed that the Election